Give me just a second, Mr. Prose. So you were late this morning, Mr.
From the very beginning, observe the body language and context carefully. Arriving late to a probation hearing is not a minor issue. Judges view punctuality as a reflection of respect for the court and seriousness about compliance. When an individual is already on probation, every detail is scrutinized. Starting the hearing behind schedule places Mr. Gross at an immediate disadvantage.
Mr. Gross?
Yeah, I might have to ride a bike instead of bike here. My bad.
Okay. So probation sent me over an administrative hearing showing that you had failed to report twice in August and then again in December, that you weren't working and giving proof of that you're behind in your community service, that you didn't take the defensive driving course yet, that you did not complete the psychological evaluation so that we could figure out what, if any,
This situation extends beyond a single missed appointment. The court is reviewing multiple alleged violations: failure to report, lack of employment verification, incomplete community service hours, and the absence of a required court-ordered evaluation. When violations accumulate in this manner, probation no longer appears to be a rehabilitative opportunity. Instead, it begins to resemble a progression toward revocation.
Thing you need to be successful on probation. So let's start there, because I think that's probably one of the most important parts of it, is why haven't you done that evaluation yet?
I got an ill mom, like, she, you need help around the house and stuff like that.
You're not going to be able to help her if you're in prison, are you? Okay, so you have to do your probation no matter what. That's not an excuse, and I won't take that as an excuse.
Here, the judge articulates a fundamental principle of probation. Personal hardships, family obligations, employment challenges, transportation issues are frequently presented in court. However, probation is not discretionary participation. It is a structured alternative to incarceration. The court's position is clear. While circumstances may explain behavior, they do not excuse noncompliance.
Excuse. You can make an appointment. You're going to get that evaluation done within the next 2 weeks, or I'm asking them to file a motion to revoke your probation. It's that simple. 2 weeks. 2 weeks to get the evaluation done. If you're not working, you should be doing community service every single week.
Excuse me, man. How many months or days I can be doing in the county for clear this charge?
It's not a county case. It's a felony. So here's what
At this stage, the tone of the proceeding shifts noticeably. When a judge begins outlining revocation procedures in a deliberate, step-by-step manner, it signals more than routine clarification. It serves as a formal warning. The court is preparing the defendant for the potential consequences of continued violations.
Charged with the state jail felony offense of evading arrest or detention with previous convictions. And so if you don't want to be on probation, then they can file a motion to revoke. They have enough here to revoke your probation. But why wouldn't you want to just? I mean, you don't want to go to state jail prison, do you?
It's just too much.
But you're going to be away from your family for some amount of time if you get revoked.
So how many?
I don't know. We're not here I don't do the negotiations. So if you want to have your probation revoked, what would happen is a motion would be filed. There would be a warrant for your arrest. You would get in custody. We would appoint you a lawyer. That lawyer would talk to Ms. Malfino. They would discuss what your violations are, what they think might be a fair punishment. We would come to court. If I think it's a fair punishment and agree with him, I would give it to you, and you would go do whatever time that is. It's not going to, I would assume it wouldn't be the whole 2 years, but I don't know right now. I don't remember what your criminal history was, other than I know that. Hold on a second.
Definitely not from the county.
Yeah, so, I mean, you know what a 1244 is? Okay, well, what a 1244 is, a lot of people think if they get a state jail prison time, there is a way that you can do county jail time in some cases on that, and she's saying is it's not going to be county jail time. It will be some.
The reference to 1244 pertains to a statutory provision that, under limited conditions, permits certain state jail sentences to be served in county jail rather than in a state facility. Many defendants view this as a mitigating possibility. However, the prosecutor's response effectively removes that option from consideration, significantly narrowing the defendant's available alternatives.
Amount of state jail time. So you don't want to get the help with probation? You want to?
Like, it's too much, man.
All right, well, I don't know that I'd let you go today then. Have there been any issues with drug use? Any talk? No positives? How quickly can y'all get that done? What's your position with regard to where we stand right now? I mean, we've got violations, obviously.
Right, sure.
If he doesn't want to go do those things,
I'm sure we should take advantage of the help we're trying to give the judge.
I know.
It seems a shame.
I don't disagree.
It's not for me to decide. I know Ms. Blair would be willing to work with him. I know he says it's a lot. I know there are specialized cases that can maybe help him get on track. I know that's what we all work for.
You don't want to think about it for?
Like, how many months or days?
I don't know. That's the thing. I just told you. We just went through that.
Probation.
All right, then at this time, what I'm going to do, unfortunately, Mr. Gross, is because of those violations of your probation that you already have, at this point, I'm going to order as a condition of probation, because you're still on probation, that you serve 20 days upfront time. You'll go into custody today. That'll give the state time to get that motion to revoke filed. You'll get credit for the time that you're sitting, but I'm not going to let you go today and possibly do something else that you're not supposed to do while you're on probation. So you can go back with the bailiff.